Hello friends and welcome back to Extra Coding YouTube channel by Adrika Bhadaria. So friends, from today we will start lists. So let's get started. Let's make a new file tut35.py. Okay. So what are lists? Lists are the ordered collection of data. Okay. So in lists we can store any type of data. Suppose let's make a variable L is equal to, let's make a list. So we make a list using square brackets, and inside these square brackets we we store our data. Okay, so suppose we write extra, it's a string, and to pass another data we will put a comma and write the data. So suppose coding, and as I told you that we can store anything in a list, so we can store numbers also. Okay, see here we can use float also, 1.6, and boolean value also, that's true and false, right? So basically we can store any type of data in a list. Okay, so if I print my list, print L, so see my list is here, right? So let's make a list of numbers. So numbers. Okay, so we will use square brackets, 1 2 2 3 3 4 5. Okay, so this is the list of numbers. Okay, and if we want to make a list of strings, so strings equals to, let's write string 1 and extra coding, right? So this is the list of strings. Okay, this is a mixed list. Okay, in which there are all types of data. Here it has numbers, here it has strings. We can store booleans also, we can store decimals also here, right? Float values, that is. Let's save it and run it. See, there are all the three types of strings. Okay, so now if you want to access any one value of the list, so what can you do? Remember we learned slicing and indexing in the lecture of strings, right? So we can use that slicing, indexing here also. Okay, let me show it to you. See, suppose if you wanna access this extra, so what is the position of extra? It's 1, right? We start from 0. 0, this value is 0, this value is 1, and this value is 2. So for extra we will use 1. Okay, so here we will print strings, we will pass the variable. Okay, and here inside square brackets we will write 1. See, it is printing extra, right? Like this you can access any value out of the list. Okay, so by this we can assess the value, or we can assess any value out of the list, right? Now if you want to print every value, each and every value after, suppose here second position, after second position, so here we will write print numbers, and here we will write from 2, that's the starting, till the end. I hope you remember all these things. Okay, see here it is writing 3, 4 and 5, right? 3, 4 and 5. After 3 it is printing all the strings. So this is the slicing. So by using this we can slice a part of the list. Okay, now remember step argument, we can use it here also. So here, wait a second, let's remove this. Let's use the step argument in mixed list. Okay, here let's write print mixed, and here we will write, let's write here 2, and here we will write, let's say till the end, or till 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, till 4, and the step argument to be 2. Okay, see it is printing 14 only, so it is starting from 2, that is 14, so it has printed 14, and then it has worked till 4, that is 3. I told you that the slicing goes till second number minus 1, so it is 3 here, that is why it has printed only 14. So if I start from the starting and till the end, see extra, 14 and true. Okay, so hope I made myself clear. Now if you want to change a value out of the list, what can you do? You can write print, we will pass string, we will write the variable name string, and then the position of the value which you want to change, suppose extra. Okay, that is 2, sorry, that's 1. Okay, the position of extra is 1, is equal to Adrika. Okay, so here it is strings. You have to be very careful with the variable names. Okay, now here if I print my strings list, strings, okay, see string 1 and extra has been exchanged with Adrika, and then coding, right? So that's how you change the value, change any value of list. Okay, now let's write here string is equal to And here let's give suppose 1. Okay, now here let's give a string ABC. Okay, now here let's give it slicing. It will be till the end. Okay, and now print our strings. Okay, so here as you can see it is writing A, B and C. So it has exchanged all the letters, all the words after the position 1 with A, B and C. So A, B and C are being separate value of the list. Okay, now just like this we can exchange it with another list also. See, here let's write here Adrika, and here let's write 14. Let's give it a number. So here after the position of 1 we are changing the value, we are exchanging the value with Adrika and 14. Okay, see, string A, B and C, string 1, A, B and C is has been changed, and in place of these three strings we have Adrika and 14. Remember we are changing with the values after 1. We are using slicing after 1. That's why string is string 1 is still in its place. Okay, so hope I made myself clear. See you soon in my next video guys. Thank you for being till the end of the session.